What's going on, dickheads? A little birdie told me that you want to make $300 a day. Maybe $500, maybe $1,000 fucking dollars. Let's fucking get crazy with it. On this video, in all seriousness, I'm going to be showing you exactly how the fuck you can make $20,000 a month, $300 a day, $500 a day. And I refuse to be another guru that you just watch and then kind of fuck off and don't take any of the information. I want you to listen to me. So in the second, I'm going to show you proof of me making $300 a day, $500, $600, even $1,000 a day. And then I'm going to teach you how to fucking do it. This is a no bullshit video, okay? No bullshit fucking video. We're gonna get straight into it. Let's fucking go. If you don't know me already, I'm Nathaniel Greengrass. Some people call me Nathaniel Coin. I did $1.5 million last year. I grew up poor, broke, and homeless, but last year I was able to do over $1.5 million. The year before that, I did $170,000 in a year just sending DMs on my phone, and now I make well over $100,000 to $200,000 every single month. Let's fucking get into it. Boom. All right, so as you can see, let's take a look here. 500, 600, 200, 600, 700, 600, 600, 600, 600, 500, 700, 6, 4, 4, 2, 5, 6, 2, 2, 6, you know, that other bullshit. And then 800, 3,000, 1,000, 300, 400, 1,000, and then at the end of the month, 800, and then 110. Now, the title of this video said you can make $300. Now, the reason for that is because, yes, I'm going to be telling you what I did to be able to make, you know, $3,000 a day. But it all comes down to effort and actually how much commitment you're willing to actually put into doing the thing. Again, I told you this is no bullshit. You know, I was able to make $3,000 a day. You might not be able to. I put in a lot of effort. You might not. I put in a lot of commitment. You might not have that. Okay, so on average, the most stupid person I can even think of can make $300 a day. Okay, at a bare fucking minimum. Just know that the potential is insane. Okay, beautiful. Let's get fucking into it. So, if you have a phone, a brain, and commitment, you can do this. Okay, again, I've done the yachts, the champagne, you know, the drinking with the girl in the red dress. I've fucking done it all. And I'm telling you, if you have a phone, a brain, and commitment, you can do this. I fucking promise you. That's on mums. I fucking promise you. All right. We focus on developing a skill rather than building a business. Why? Because at the end of the day, 65% of businesses in Australia fail. Look it up yourself. How many businesses fail in Australia, or what's the percentage of businesses that fail in Australia? It's 65. Okay, and that is even higher in somewhere like the United States or somewhere like Canada. Okay, and the reason why 65% of businesses fail is because the guys that are building these businesses don't actually want to be building businesses. You know, if you go onto YouTube and say, how can I get rich quick? How can I make $10,000 a month? How can I become a millionaire? Every single fucker is going to be telling you a business model. A business model. Okay? They're going to be giving you a business to do. Now, let's be honest, you don't want a business. You don't want to have to deal with clients, have to constantly be on your phone talking to people, have to be making content, having a personal brand, spending money on ads, going through 5-6 years of making no money just to start making money on the 7th year. You probably don't want to do that. What you really want, okay, I've taken 4,000 calls, and what people actually want is freedom. They want money freedom and time freedom. They want travel freedom and location freedom. They want freedom to go to the bathroom without asking their boss to go to the toilet. That's what you actually want. Now, that's the first thing you need to understand. What do you want? Do you genuinely want the Rolexes, the yachts, and the cars? Or do you want to make $10,000 a month and travel to Bali and live like a millionaire? Okay, what do you actually want? Now, I've built multiple businesses. I've been doing this for a long time. Okay, I'm not saying don't build a business in the future, but I'm saying right now you need to develop a skill, because these are 4 of the businesses that were successful. I've probably built around 8 or 10, and these 4 right here were successful. They all do different things and they're all successful in their own way. Now this one right here, True Coin Online, is the biggest course Okay, the biggest business in that niche. Okay, so I built one of the biggest businesses in that specific niche. And after going through all of these businesses and thinking, okay, what do all of these things have in common and why were they all successful? It's all because of one reason. I developed the skill of sales. Okay, sales is what binds all of my successful businesses together. So if you can learn that skill, you can then put that skill and then build whatever business you want. Once you learn this skill of sales, the specific skill that I'm going to be teaching you, you will never be broke again. Okay, let's get into it. It requires no business, no personal brand, no content or marketing. It's appointment setting. This is what I'm going to be teaching you. This is what will allow you to make $300 a day. And even more. I say $300 at like the very, very bare minimum for the people that are fucking lazy. But hopefully if you're watching this still, you're not lazy and you can make a fuck ton more, all right? So here is a screenshot of one of the guys that I've worked with. Here's the journey of a dude that went from full-time job to averaging $25,000 a month in 4 months, okay? He landed his first appointment setting job on the 10th of the 25th, 2023. He then made his first $20,000 in 2024 and then his first $30,000 in 2024 as well. I know, crazy, right? But this is what you can do. Now, what actually is appointment setting? All you're doing is sending messages for an existing business. Okay, so you will go, this is exactly what you would do. Okay, you will go into Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, make an account. You don't need a personal brand, just chuck a couple photos up so then they know that you are a real person. You will then message online coaches on Instagram. So let's say that you're into fitness or whatever. So you're then going to go over to Instagram. You're going to search on the search bar, online coaches is going to come up with hundreds of them. Now you will message this online coach and say, hey, do you need someone to book appointments for you? All that consists of is you going onto their Instagram and sending messages to people as them. So you will go onto that person's Instagram, sign in and message people that they would already be messaging. And you'll have a conversation with them. So let's say you're working for a fitness coach. You'll say, hey, Daniel, how's your fitness journey going? And then you have a bit of a conversation. And by the end of that message conversation that you have with the people, you will then say, hey, after everything that we've talked about, I would love to talk with you further on the phone. Okay, so you are booking appointments. You are an appointment setter. Okay, and if that person says, yep, let's get on the phone and talk, remember, they are not getting on the phone with you. They are getting on the phone with the coach that you work for. So that coach will take that sales call. If that person buys the coach's program, you're going to make 5-10%, which is on average about $500 to $1,000. So you have the potential to make $500 to $1,000 every single time that coach that you work for makes a sale. So you join the account, you send messages to people that they would already be sending messages to. So if they like a post or comment on a photo or, I don't know, follow the account, you will then message them and say, hey, how's it going? You have a conversation, you'll talk with them a little bit, and then you'll pitch the phone call. Okay, and you just do that over and over and over again. That is all you're doing, sending messages on your phone. Okay, that is it. That is fucking it. The demand. If I'm saying that you can do this and just send messages from your phone, you must think it's super saturated, right? Well, the demand of appointment setting has grown by 6% from 2018. Okay, so this has lasted through the financial crisis, through the housing crisis, through COVID-19, through all the wars and all the crazy shit. Appointment setting has continued to grow. Why? Because coaches, agencies, and businesses have continued to grow as well. As long as there is a coach or an agency or a business, there will always be an appointment setter. Okay, if McDonald's opens up next to your house, you're not going to say, oh my God, you're saturated. Why? Because there is a consumer. And the consumer is constantly growing. The people that want McDonald's is constantly growing. It's the same with appointment setting. So as long as there is a coach, business, or agency, there will always be an appointment setter as the consumer, okay? So the demand is going to continue to increase. Here is an example of the appointment setting. Now, I'm not going to go through it step by step, like message through message, but this is what a genuine conversation looks like. So again, I told you, all you will be doing is sending messages. Now, this is what you'll be doing. And this is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. So this was 11 messages from not knowing who I am to then getting on the phone with me or the person that you work for. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Just having a genuine conversation, asking how they are, asking what they do, asking how they've been, why are they struggling. You're just asking questions. Okay. And then they will then respond. You're just opening them up. And then by the end of that conversation, you want to say, hey, after everything that we fucking talked about, let's get on the phone. Let's keep talking about it, right? Beautiful. Here is another example within my actual program. So I have a coaching program called Dynamo Setters, and this basically takes people from knowing nothing to landing their first job. You know, I had Jack, I'll put a screenshot right here, Jack Williams. He was in the program for 2 weeks. He landed his first appointment setting job where he will make a minimum of about $3,000, a minimum. So any commission he makes on top of that is added on to that $3,000. Now, during one of our Zoom calls that we have every week, we did a role play. And this is the role play. Okay, so again, pause this and then go through it. In this case, for this example, I followed the coach and then the appointment setter is now messaging me. So I followed him and then he says, hey bro, really appreciate the follow. How are you? And then we have a bit of a conversation. Okay, again, for more reference, in this role play, he is working for a fitness coach. So that's why I say I'm a little bit stressed with work and I've been really bad on my health and in the gym, okay? But I don't want this to be super bullshit and super long video. So I put this here so you can have that information. You can just pause it, write it down and take notes, whatever you love to do, all right? Beautiful. Where do you find appointment setting jobs? Okay, so where do I actually find a job like this? You can find it on Facebook and you can find it on Instagram. On Facebook, you can type up high ticket sales or remote closing or appointment setting and it will come up with a bunch of groups. You can join them and people will actually make a post saying, hey, you know, I'm in need for an appointment setter. You're going to make 5%, which is on average about $3,000. All right, whatever. Okay. So join Facebook groups. And then the second way is doing outreach to coaches. So again, like I told you, you're going to go into Instagram, search online coaches, message, you know, pick a coach, message the coach and say, hey, blah, 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 blah. I've been watching your stuff for a while. I love what you do. Do you need an appointment setter? Do that 100 times and you will find a job. So that is exactly how and where you find appointment setters. All right, beautiful. Why is this not too good to be true and why is this a crazy opportunity? I get told a lot or asked, Nathaniel, this sounds too good to be true, right? I'm just telling you, you can send messages from your phone and make $1,000. It's not too good to be true because you need to realize a coach needs you. A coach doesn't have time to be sending messages themselves. They've got their clients to take care of, their content, their marketing, their business. They don't have time to be sending messages. So they delegate the task. It's like with you at your current business. The owner of your business isn't doing what you're doing because they don't have the time to be doing it. So they hire you and delegate the task to you. So they do the same with appointment setting. And you need to realize you might be making 10% of 10,000, which is 1,000, but the coach is still making 9,000, which means the coach is making 90% and you're doing half the work. But in your case, half the work just happens to be sending messages. So it really is a win-win situation. And as well, the opportunity is so fucking crazy because it's so fucking easy. And this industry, you can jump in today and start learning, start training and gain that experience and get a job next week and start making what you're making now every single month, but you make it from your phone. This is seriously something where you can do it from wherever around the world, as long as you've got your fucking phone. It's that fucking insane. Like, it really is. Questions I get asked a lot and that you might have. Nathaniel, if I live in Argentina or Africa or India, can I still do this? Yes. Okay, because just because you live in a country, it doesn't mean that you can't work for a guy or a girl that's in a different country. Okay, so I could live in Australia and then find a coach that's in Canada and do appointment setting for him. Okay, that moves on to the next one. You can appointment set for someone that's in a different country with a higher currency exchange and make more money. So if I am in Australia and I want to do appointment setting, I can go again, look for a coach in Canada. And if I get that job, that guy in Canada is going to be charging people in Canadian dollars, which means my commission is in Canadian dollars. And Canadian is more than USD. That means I make more money. All right, if you're smart about it, you can make a bit more cash. All right. Second thing, do I have to speak English? No, you don't. First off, you're sending messages. Okay, so that's that. And the other thing as well is that you can appointment set for someone that speaks your same language. If I speak Spanish and I really don't speak English at all, and I don't really feel comfortable doing that, I would go find a Spanish coach. There are fucking thousands of them. Just find someone in your sort of country or just that speaks Spanish as well. I know someone that lives in Argentina, he makes like $400,000 a month as a coach. Go work for him. Okay, there is someone all around the world. There is literally hundreds of thousands of online coaches, and it's going to continue to grow. Which means the chances that you have is literally truly endless. What do I need to get started? Again, I already told you a phone is really all you need. If you got a laptop, that's perfect. If not, that's fine. So those are just a few of the very common questions that I get asked a lot, just so we can smash them out of the way so you don't have them anymore, all right? Recap. So this is exactly what you need to do, okay? Take action on the things that I just told you. So now you know what appointment setting is. You know it's in demand, so you know it's actually worth getting into. You know how much money you can make. Okay, you know who to actually apply for. So you know, don't apply for an agency or another business, apply for a coach. Because a coach will charge about $8,000 to $10,000. An agency will charge about $2,000. Which means, I'm no mathematician, but 10% of 10,000 is more than 10% of, 2,000, right? You also know where to go. So join Facebook groups and message people on Instagram. Do that a fuck ton. Literally just send out 100 messages a day. Seriously. But all in all, that's all you need to fucking do. I'm super fucking excited for you to get started. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, drop a comment below. I could probably charge $1,000 for this because I'm actually telling you what you need to do. Some things might seem a bit broad, but they're not. Okay, that's truly what you need. I told you what to say. Okay, so when you find a coach, when you are applying, just say, hey, whatever their name is, I've been watching you for a while. I love what you do. Do you by chance need an appointment setter? Chances are they probably do. So just do that over and over again until you get a message. But on that note, if you are someone that has seen kind of all of this and actually does want to take this shit serious, even more serious, and you kind of want that guaranteed job. So I just told you what you can do so you can do it on your own. But if you want someone to kind of hold your hand throughout the process, more importantly, me to hold your hand, I do have a coaching program called Dynamis where people are literally getting crazy results all the time. Like if I go here, I'll show you. Literally, this is just off the top of the dome. Jack landed his first job in 2 weeks. Yeah, with an online coach on Instagram, like I told you. More people here. Alright, so we had like 5-6 people join last week and then a few wins. Okay, so Luke has been making a fuck ton of money. He's been applying for a bunch of jobs and so is he. Like, it's been insane. So if this is something that you could see yourself being a part of, I don't know, and you want to join the #1 fucking appointment setting program in the entire world, the only coach that actually gets results, there is a calendar down below. You can book a call with me if you want. If not, no worries. Keep watching the content. But I look forward to seeing you wherever you may be. All right, I'll see you on the next one.